Do you remember when life felt slower? When small, steady routines made the days run more smoothly, and a little preparation quietly solved problems before they started? Those old-fashioned habits weren't about doing more. They were about doing things once, doing them well, and letting that effort quietly pay off all week long. Today, we're looking at 25 old-fashioned habits, simple routines that save time, money, and stress, while quietly making everyday life easier. Let's begin. 1. Boil water in a kettle, not the microwave. A kettle heats faster, uses energy more efficiently, and lasts for years. It's a small habit, but one you use almost every day. 2. Make your own salad dressings. Oil, vinegar, mustard, salt. That's all it takes. It saves money, reduces waste, and keeps unnecessary ingredients out of your meals. 3. Batch cook breakfast foods. Muffins, pancakes, or breakfast burritos made once and frozen in portions turn rushed mornings into calm ones. 4. Freeze leftovers in single servings. Instead of forgotten containers, you create future meals. Busy evenings become easier without extra spending. 5. Store dry goods in glass jars. Rice, beans, pasta, and flour stay fresh longer, and you can always see what you already have. 6. Reuse clean jars for storage. Jam jars and sauce jars are durable, free, and perfect for nuts, spices, or leftovers. 7. Bring lunch from home. This one habit alone can save hundreds each month while giving you better food and fewer decisions. 8. Keep a small toolkit within reach. A screwdriver, hammer, and tape measure solve most household problems before they grow. 9. Repair small clothing tears immediately. A 5-minute stitch today can save a favorite shirt for years. 10. Use a drying rack instead of the dryer. Clothes last longer, energy bills drop, and fabrics stay in better condition. 11. Air dry towels and sheets when possible. Sunlight disinfects naturally and leaves everything fresh without added cost. 12. Hand wash delicate items. It takes only a few minutes and can double the life of clothing you enjoy wearing. 13. Keep a simple first aid kit at home. Basic supplies on hand prevent unnecessary trips, stress, and expense. 14. Make your own cleaning wipes. Old rags with vinegar or mild soap clean just as well, without waste or recurring purchases. 15. Plan errands in a loop. One trip, several stops. Less gas, less time, less frustration. 16. Wrap gifts simply. Newspaper, brown paper, or fabric wraps feel thoughtful and personal without extra spending. 17. Write down weekly goals. Even a short list brings clarity, prevents overspending, and keeps the week grounded. 18. Keep a repair and maintenance log. Tracking small fixes helps you stay ahead of larger, more expensive problems later. Most of these habits are about staying prepared, not reacting. 19. Keep a swap box. Books, games, or clothes move through your life instead of piling up. 20. Swap puzzles, books, or magazines. Entertainment doesn't need to be new to feel fresh. 21. Practice mindful shopping. Before buying, ask, do I need this? Will I use it often? Will it last? 22. Do a weekly digital declutter. Clear emails, unsubscribe, delete unused apps. A calm digital space saves time and mental energy. 23. Make simple herbal remedies. Chamomile for sleep, peppermint for digestion, quiet traditions that still work. 24. Use cloth napkins. They're practical, reusable, and add warmth to everyday meals. 25. End the week with reflection. Notice what you fixed, reused, or avoided buying. It turns saving into satisfaction. Each of these habits is small on its own. But together, they create a life that feels easier, calmer, and more intentional, without feeling deprived. Start with just one this week. Maybe freezing leftovers, mending a shirt, or planning errands differently. And if this way of living speaks to you, there's another video you may enjoy, 40 old-fashioned habits that will save you thousands. You'll find it linked here. Life isn't about having the most. It's about needing the least.